Workshops don't need to be big to be effective. They need to be smart. Most frustrations in a workshop don't come from lack of skill. They come from wasted time, lost tools, messy spaces, and inefficient habits. This video packs 101 genius workshop hacks into a fast, practical overview designed to improve how you work, store, measure, cut, organize, and think in your shop. These hacks are not about expensive tools. They're about small improvements that add up quickly. Let's start with organization. A clean shop works faster than a cluttered one. The first hack is simple. Store tools where they're used. This alone reduces wasted movement. Use vertical space before adding floor storage. Walls work harder than cabinets. Group tools by function, not size. Cutting tools together. Measuring tools together. Assembly tools together. Labels save time even when you think you don't need them. Your future self will thank you. Clear containers reduce searching. If you can see it, you can use it. Keep frequently used tools at arm's reach. Rarely used tools can live higher or farther away. Shadow-style organization helps tools return home automatically. You notice what's missing instantly. Next comes storage hacks. Drawer dividers prevent stacking chaos. Shallow drawers outperform deep drawers. Everything stays visible. Use the inside of cabinet doors. It's free space. Rolling carts bring tools to the task instead of the other way around. Underbench storage adds capacity without crowding. Corners are storage opportunities, not dead zones. Hooks beat shelves for many tools. They're faster and more flexible. Magnetic strips are perfect for small metal tools. Now, let's move into measuring and marking hacks. Accuracy starts with consistency. Dedicate one measuring tape for setup. Never mix tapes mid-project. Mark common measurements directly on benches or fences. Keep pencils sharp and nearby. Dull pencils waste accuracy. Use contrasting colors for marks you don't want to miss. Create story sticks for repeated measurements. They eliminate math errors. Stop blocks save time and improve repeatability. Clamp guides act as temporary fences. Now cutting hacks. Cuts don't need to be complicated to be clean. Support workpieces fully to prevent tear out. Let the tool do the work. Forcing cuts reduces accuracy. Use scrap wood as sacrificial backing. Test cuts save material and frustration. Batch cutting improves consistency. Label parts immediately after cutting. Keep blades and bits clean. Clean tools cut better. Move into assembly hacks. Assembly is where projects come together or fall apart. Dry fit everything before glue. Prepare clamps before applying adhesive. Use cauls to distribute pressure evenly. Work on flat surfaces whenever possible. Clean squeeze out immediately. Use spacers for consistent gaps. Square early. Square often. Mark orientation before assembly. Now sanding and finishing hacks. Finishing separates amateur from professional results. Sand progressively. Don't skip grits. Remove dust between stages. Sand edges lightly to soften them. Test finishes on scrap first. Stir finishes instead of shaking. Apply thin coats. More coats beat thicker ones. Allow proper drying time. Now workflow hacks. These improve how the shop feels. Start sessions with a clear bench. End sessions with 5 minutes of cleanup. Set up tasks in logical order. Reduce unnecessary walking. Prepare materials before turning on tools. Keep frequently used supplies stocked. Use checklists for repeated builds. Now safety and efficiency hacks. These protect both time and health. Wear protection consistently. Good lighting reduces mistakes. Keep floors clear. Store sharp tools safely. Unplug tools when adjusting. Use push tools when appropriate. Respect tool limitations. Finally, mindset hacks. These may be the most powerful. Simple solutions beat clever ones. Repeatable processes beat one-offs. Good habits beat perfect setups. A small improvement repeated daily compounds quickly. Your workshop should support you, not slow you down. These 101 hacks share one purpose: to remove friction from your work. When friction disappears, creativity flows. If you apply even a few of these ideas, your shop will feel faster, calmer, and more enjoyable. Efficiency is not about rushing. It's about removing obstacles.